Let's make this image black and white. There are a couple of ways we can do that. The first way I'm going to show you is just by reducing the saturation in the image. So I'm in the Basics tab, I go over to Saturation and pull out the saturation. Instant black and white. Doesn't look very good, so let's utilize the sliders that we have available to us. I'm going to push up the clarity because I know that I'm going to like that later on in this image because I want to bring out the detail in this road. I'm going to push down the blacks, make it a little more dramatic. I'm going to push up the whites. I'm going to leave the shadows where they are for the moment. Highlights, I'm going to push down. Look what happens to my sky when I do that. Oh, it's looking good. I'm going to add a little bit more contrast, make that blacker, and maybe just tweak the exposure a little bit. And I can come back in here and continue to play the dance. Ooh, I'm adding some texture now. That's looking really good. So, I'm liking this. I could go in and do some specific individual localized corrections using my adjustment brush, and I'll probably do that down the road. I'm going to probably pop out the stop a little bit more, make that a little bit whiter, but I just wanted to show you saturation at this point. When I go to open the image into Photoshop, let's look at the mode. I'm in RGB Color Mode. So that's the one thing I want you to take away. So when you pull out the saturation, you're still working in RGB Color Mode. I can now, in Photoshop, do whatever else I want through this program. So there you go.